everyone. If you missed everything that happened during today's session, don't worry. We've got 4 minutes. So Adam and I are getting you caught up on the only stocks that you need to know about today. Time for your top 10. Number 10, Apple. Of course, we've been talking about it all hour. It's down almost 1% here after the tech giant unveiled iTunes Radio less than an hour ago at its annual Worldwide Developer Conference. There had been a whole lot of anticipation surrounding the idea of an online music service by Apple, and some believe this could be the game changer for the music industry.
Elon, meanwhile, shares of the Irish biotech company are up more than 1% after the company's board unanimously rejects Royalty Pharma's $6.7 billion takeover offer. Elon has also hired Citigroup to assess, quote, several unsolicited corporate inquiries spelled with an E. Classy guys over there in Ireland.
At number 8 is Booz Allen. It's down nearly 3% after Edward Snowden, an employee, revealed a top-secret U.S. electronic surveillance program. Snowden's leak puts Booz Allen's reputation at risk, and it may also affect contracts in the short term if the company is found to have not protected classified information.
Number 7, IHS shares up more than 2% after the company agreed to buy R.L. Polk, the provider of Carfax vehicle history data.
Oh, yeah.
The deal, valued at about $1.4 billion, will boost IHS's offerings for the global automotive industry and increase profits.
Before eBay Motors, I used to look through Kelley Blue Book sometimes just to see what cars cost. It was kind of fun. You know, this was when I was 15 and desperately wanted to buy my first car.
So the actual Blue Book, right?
Yeah.
The actual hard copy.
There is a Kelley Blue Book. Yeah, who knew? All right. Monsanto up 4% on news that the world's largest seed company won't have to face a challenge to its patents on genetically modified seeds. A U.S. appeals court today affirmed a decision to throw out a lawsuit filed by organic farmers and seed sellers.
At number 5, we got Facebook. It's up about 4.5%. There's speculation that the world's largest social network may be added to the S&P 500. With a current market value of almost $60 billion, Facebook is likely to join the S&P 500 in the next year, according to Stifel Nicolaus. That firm has raised Facebook's stock rating to buy, and you guys, at $60 billion, it's bigger than a lot of the other internet companies that are already in the S&P.
Still has a ways to go, though, to get back to that IPO price.
Gosh, look at that. And a one-year chart down 10%, Trish.
Yeah, pointing out the obvious here.
Yep.
All right, moving on to number 4. It's Lululemon, up nearly 1% ahead of its first quarter earnings report due out after the Bell analysts surveyed by Bloomberg are estimating a profit of 30 cents a share on revenues of $341 million. Keep it here for full coverage of those numbers coming up. Can it come back from the pants scandal?
Back from the pants scandal. The pants are back on the shelves. AstraZeneca down a fraction after the UK company agreed to buy Pearl Therapeutics, a closely held U.S. drug maker. They're going to pay $1.2 billion. With the purchase, AstraZeneca wants to expand its portfolio of respiratory disease treatments as competition for lung medicines increases.
And we got another deal at number 2, Travelers, which is down just a fraction here. It's the lone property insurer in the Dow, and it's agreed to buy EL Financial's Dominion of Canada for about $1.1 billion in cash. Dominion will be combined with Travelers' operations in Canada and have headquarters in Toronto.
All right, bringing you to the number 1 stock of the day. It's McDonald's, gaining more than 1%. The world's largest restaurant chain reporting that sales at stores open at least 13 months rose 2.6% last month, topping analyst estimates. The dollar menu and breakfast items are fueling U.S. sales at McDonald's. Pretty good numbers there.
They look good, don't they?
Yeah,
those
really
fries?
Good. Yeah. Maybe we'll have
Gets me fired up.